Hello everyone, this is Sivagami from SNS College of Engineering. As I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Information Technology. Here we are going to learn about the topic is method overriding in Java programming language. Okay, method overriding. What is meant by method overriding? First we are going to see about the rules for the overriding. Okay, both the superclass and the subclass must have the same method name, the same return type and the same parameter list. Okay, first we follow the rules for the method overloading. Okay, overriding. Both the superclass and the subclass must be have the same method name, the same return type and the same parameter list. We cannot override the method declare as the final static and private. Okay, we cannot override the method declare as the final static and private. Okay, access modifier of the override method cannot be more respective than the overridden method of the parent class. Okay, access modifier of the overloading method cannot be more restrictive than the overridden method of parent class. For example, if the access modifier of the parent class method is public, then the overriding method cannot have private, protected and default access modifier. All the abstract methods in the parent class should be overridden in C. Method overriding performance only if two classes have is a relationship. It means class must have the inheritance. In other words, it is performed between two classes using inheritance relation. Difference between here we going to see about difference between method overriding and overloading. Okay, method overloading and overriding. What is meant by method overloading? Method overloading is used to increase the readability of the program. Method overriding. Method overriding is used to provide the specific implementation of the method that is already provided by its the superclass. Okay, then we come to the method overloading. Method overloading is performed within a class. The method overloading performed by within a class only. Method overriding occurs in two classes that have the ISA relationship. Okay, then in case of method overloading, parameter must be different. In case of method overriding, parameter must be same. Method overriding is the example of compile time polymorphism. Method overriding is the example of runtime polymorphism. It should have the method with the same name but the different signature. Okay, it should have the method with the same name and signature. Then the next topic is superclass. What if want to access the superclass methods or variables? What if I want to access superclass method or variable? Whenever a superclass need to refer to its immediate superclass, it can do so by use of keyword super. Okay, the super keyword in Java is a reference to the object of the parent or superclass. Using it, you can call a field, a method or a constructor of the immediate superclasses. Use of the super keyword to call methods of the superclass that is overridden in the superclass. To access the attributes of the superclass, if both superclass and the subclass have attributes with the same name. To explicit call superclass, no arguments, no parameter constructor from the subclass constructors. here I give a example program for superclass. Okay. Thank you everyone.